Today, we're out here in the very windy East Valley showing you Blossom Rock. This is a brand new master plan community, and there's going to be 10,000 homes here when it's all said and done. And specifically today, we're going to show you homes by Tri Pointe. This is a more higher end product. And if you're thinking about living in the East Valley, we're going to show you why this community might be a good option for you. You're just 4 miles away from Safeway and local shopping here, a few short miles away from everything that you're going to need. And just about 15 miles south of here, there's a beautiful outdoor mall called Santan Village, which I personally love. You're really going to love the look of it and all of the offerings that they have over there. And since this community is just getting started, many of the amenities that you're looking for in the community will not be completely built just yet. They have a lot of the parks started here, which is very nice. They will be offering a 1.7 acre lake and a clubhouse, as well as at least one community pool and endless trails, walking and biking trails. So you're going to have lots of options here, but you'll be seeing more of these as the community starts to build out and grow over time. And Tri Pointe is offering 10 single level floor plans in this community, and the prices start at $646,000 and top out at about $866,000. I really think you're gonna love it. Let's head into our first home and take a look. And here we are at the Chaya Model, and I wanted to start out front so that I could show you this beautiful courtyard entryway. Let's go take a look. This is an expansive entryway. There's going to be room in here if you like to put some additional furniture in here as well. And a beautiful grand entry door. And right away, we're opened up into this beautiful model. As you can see, it's nice and wide. It's a 70-foot wide lot. So this is going to feel wide versus kind of a shotgun style home that's narrower. Right away, we have our dining room over here to the right. And this is elegantly modeled here, as you can see, with some nice modern furniture. And a spacious living area. What I like is that they've added some additional off-the-ground storage here for you. Gives you a really nice clean look. And this beautiful kitchen. This is going to be an extended island here, as this is shown as an add-on feature in the home. This is a beautiful, spacious kitchen, and they've added on so much additional cabinetry and countertop in this particular model that runs all the way through to the dining room. So that makes it very nice. You're not going to have any lack of storage here. And I really love this dark matte finish quartz. It really gives off a modern feel, and we see these very dark colored cabinets as well. But coupled with the light tile, the light walls, it really gives you a nice feel. And of course, a light backsplash as well. And these are the GE Cafe series appliances, so these are going to be a bit of an upgrade. Now let's take a look at the pantry. Not the biggest I've seen considering the size of the home, but I think with all the additional cabinetry that you have going on here, there's going to be plenty of storage. And here we have an undermount single sink here, which is very nice. And they do have a bunch of choices for finishes on the appliances. You can choose your color of handles here. They come in several different colors, so that's kind of nice. And this offers a gas cooktop as well, so another great feature. And as you can see, good sized dining room space. Plenty of room here for a long table, as long as you have it lengthwise, as they have it shown here. It's going to be a little bit tighter if you've got a round tabletop. Check out this slider door. This one's an 8-foot slider. And over here, you're also going to have an incredible 15-foot triple slide right here. And boy, I just think this is great for letting in so much light and giving you the indoor-outdoor feel when you're in home. So that makes it really, really special. Let's head off. We've got split bedrooms on this floor plan. Right over here, first we'll stop here and check out the office space. This is also an optional 5th bedroom, but typically I think people like these home offices, so this is great to have. And then here you have a secondary living space, which is really, really nice for those of us with kids or other visitors. Maybe they want to watch something else on TV, or this is an entertaining space, do homework. So many options here as well. This home has 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. And here we have a shared bath with a dual vanity, as well as your tub shower combo. It's nice and spacious here. I feel like it's extra long in here. Another thing that I like is these spacious bedrooms in here. They are very generous in their sizing, as you can see here. Plenty of space for the kids or those guests. And one of these bedrooms has a standard closet, and the other one I'm going to show you over here has a walk-in closet. And these are nice and bright. The windows are off the front of the house, so that's good. And here you have a really nice walk-in closet. Very nice size. And once again, the room here is very generously spaced. Clearly you can see there's the dresser here, as well as the chest of drawers here, as well as a full length bed. So there's plenty of room and plenty of options for arranging furniture in the home. Now we'll head off to the other side of the house, heading off to the main bedroom suite. Very beautiful, very generous size in this room. And they have a French door leading off into the patio, so that's very nice. Always like to have access from the main bedroom in case you have a pool back here. Easy entryway. And here you have a beautiful main suite. Water closet right off to the right. And split vanities, as well as a super grand shower. I just think this is a great design. Super modern looking. You have your elevated staging area for the shower. And over here, let's take a look. We have our storage space here. Here you have the main closet. Nice size with some additional shelving. And of course, you can really dial it up with a custom closet. We got one more room to show you in this beautiful home. Let's go take a look. Here's an additional bathroom with a single vanity and a walk-in shower. This could be a good guest space. And here we are in yet another bedroom. Again, once again, very nice size. If this was me, I would choose this to be a nursery if I had little ones, because it's right next to the main bedroom. So generally speaking, that'd be what would be so great about this particular bedroom. And here we are. This is going to be your drop zone and your entryway into the garage. And right here we have our laundry space, super nice size. Plenty of space for folding. Overall, a very nice design. Okay, let's go check out the next model. Okay, and here we are in the Pecan Model. This is a 3,450 square foot home, and this home has a Gen Smart suite, so let's go check this one out. And here we are in the Gen Smart suite. This is the living space. You got a window here as well as a French door with glass to let in some light. So overall, a good spot. It's a nice, efficient unit with a great space here for someone who's gonna be living here on a regular basis or a guest. And here we are in the kitchenette area. A couple of little cabinets for you, as well as a microwave and a small fridge and a small sink here. And here you have your entryway coming in from the garage. So this space has its own garage, which is an extra nice feature as well. So you really definitely could have another family member or child, grown child living here with their own garage space, which will make it very nice. Right over here we have the bedroom. Very nice space. It's elongated, so that makes it nice. Peek around the corner, we have the bathroom space here, as well as closet space. Oh, check this out. So they have their own washer and dryer. That's fantastic. And a closet as well. And then a beautiful little bathroom right here. Single vanity and a walk-in shower. What a great space for those of you that have frequent guests or family living here. And the way this is shown, here you have an entry where you can get directly into the home if you want. So we walk through this. Okay. take you on a little drive and show you what the community looks like on the ground and show you what they have got going on as far as community amenities so far. And you'll be seeing more models as we drive around as well. We'll be showcasing those in future videos. So there's several builders here. Brookfield Residential right here, as well as Pulte Homes. We have David Weekley represented in here as well. And the base price of the homes in Blossom Rocks are going to start right around $500,000. That is about as low as a price point that you'll get. As I said before, there's going to be about 10,000 homes when this is eventually built out. And this is going to be over the span of several years, of course, and depending on the strength of the housing market and new builds. And here we have a community park. They have a covered ramada here, as well as a beautiful fireplace, kind of a gathering area. I guess they're modernizing these communities and giving spots for community meeting or family options here for maybe a picnic for your family or something of that nature. You see we got a lot of building going on here. Here are the Pulte models. And these are pretty standard across many of the communities. They're pretty smart about not recreating all of these different models over time. So you will see these same models in other communities in Phoenix as well. And we've showed some of those. And here you can see they're constructing their clubhouse. It's called the Dutch. And this is where the pool is going to be as well. And the opening is for fall of 2025, guys. So it looks like they're going to be working on this for quite some time. And here you can see they have this play structure for the kids. Pretty fancy, and swings for the little ones. It looks like they got some citrus trees growing right here. Interesting. It's a good take on the local area here. This is a heavily agricultured area. Gilbert and Queen Creek definitely were farmlands at one point, and you can see it all around here as well. As you're driving to and from the community, you can see that this is still very much deeply rooted with farmland. So it's going to be a while before you have a community pool and a community center here, but it looks like they're going to take their time and really build some beautiful options here. Straight over here you can see the beautiful Superstition Mountains, and just heading east here there's so much opportunity for recreation. Salt River, that's a huge thing that people love to do. It's floating down the Salt River and enjoying that beautiful area here in the East Valley. Here you see the community lake as well. So if you have any questions about these models or any other, or if you want to pursue maybe an existing home in the area, feel free to give us a call, text, or email us. That's what we specialize in, helping families find their next new home here in Phoenix, Arizona. So you definitely should consider using a realtor, whether it's us or another realtor, to represent you in the purchase of the home. The builder's agents work for the builders. We represent you in your home buying transaction, and we do this every day so we can help you avoid some of the mistakes that happen in this process and make sure that you get the best deal. And if you like this video and would like to watch another, check this one out right here. Oh, and before we go, if you like our content, please like, subscribe, and comment because it really helps out our channel. Thanks.